In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get payment receipt from eBay purchase if you need a receipt for your records, expense tracking, or reimbursement. eBay makes it fairly simple to find the details for a completed order. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can pull up the order information quickly and confidently. To begin, sign into your eBay account and look toward the top area of the page for My eBay. Go ahead and click on My eBay to open your account menu and access your personal buying activity. This section is where eBay keeps track of your recent purchases, orders, and account-related information, so it's the right place to start when you're trying to locate a receipt. Once you're inside My eBay, find and click on Purchase History. This will take you to a page that lists the items you've bought through your account. If you've made several purchases, take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the specific order you need the receipt for. It can help to look for the item name, seller, or purchase date so you choose the correct transaction. After you've found the order, click on View Order Details. This opens the full order page where you can review the payment and purchase information connected to that transaction. In most cases, this page will include the key details people usually need from a receipt, such as the item purchased, the date of the order, the amount paid, and shipping-related information if applicable. When you're on this screen, it's a good idea to double check that all the information matches the purchase you're documenting. If you need to save it for later, you can usually print the page or save it as a PDF using your browser's print option. That can be especially useful if you're submitting the receipt for accounting, business expenses, or personal record keeping. One helpful tip is to make sure you're opening the exact order details page rather than just viewing the general purchase list, since the detailed page gives you the most complete payment information. If you don't immediately see the order you need, check that you're logged into the correct eBay account, especially if you use more than one. And that's it. Once you click into the order details, you should have access to the purchase information you need for your receipt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.